Hi friends, welcome to our channel. From this video, I am going to start a new series of Python videos. In this series, I will explain all the concepts of Python from basics to advanced. I will try to upload at least 2 videos per week, and I can say by the end of this series, you will be able to write any Python code easily. In order to start this series, first we need to install Python software in our machine. So let's start this series with Python installation. Before start this video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video in our channel. Coming back to our video, first we need to check whether Python software is already installed in our system or not. To check that, just open CMD and type Python version. Then it's not showing Python version. That means the Python was not installed in our system. In order to install Python software, just open any browser and click download Python. Then you can see here official website python.org. Just click here and you will get the page like this. Just scroll your browser to download. Then click on you are showing different types of Windows, but my case it is Windows. Just click on Windows and install. I am installing newest version of Python. You can see, note the Python 3.9 plus cannot be installed in Windows 7 or earlier. My Windows 11, so no problem. I am installing this one. You can see installation started. After completion of download, just double click on that and just click this add Python 3.12 path. This will set the environment variable and just click install. It will take some time to install. Just close it. Whenever you install Python software in our machine, by default, IDLE got installed. IDLE means Integrated Development and Learning Environment. For that, just search for IDLE. Just open it. Don't worry guys, I will show how to use this IDLE in coming videos. Hope this video is useful to you guys. Bye for now and let's meet in next video.